Hi Amiga people, welcome back to my Amiga cave. My name's Graham and I'm here today to talk to you about a recent new acquisition for my Amiga. So many to choose from. Which one is it? Well, it's not that, and it's not that, and it is this. This is a freewheel controller from Logitech 3. It was released about 1992. It has mercury switches in it, so it senses left, right, forward, back, and it has a couple of fire buttons and menu buttons there. There aren't any other controls on it at all. They're not uncommon, there's quite a few of them around. I bought this over eBay for around about $30 recently. And this is the box that it came in. Let's plug it in and see how it goes. Now here's a useful and simple tip that I found very helpful. I'm not going to reach around to the back of the Amy. I don't want to wear out the plug by plugging these things in all the time. So what I've done is got an extension lead like such, and I've plugged it into the back of the Amiga, run the cord around, and I've plugged it in here, 2 and 1. So I can just plug straight in to that. So this cable is available over eBay for just a few dollars. It'll protect your computer port, plus it'll give you the extension lead, and if you want to you can join 2 or more of them together to have a longer lead. I can plug it straight in and I'm ready to go. Right, Nigel, let's step up to it. I think we'll just do a single race. Let's see how it goes on test drive 2. Look, back, forward, okay, and fire. Let's go, we've got gears. Didn't want that signpost anyway. Okay, bit of speed. Think I just saw a kangaroo. More speed. It's going very well. Let's say goodbye to the tarmac and hello to the sky. Well, that's the Freewheel from Logic 3. What do I think of it? Well, I really liked it. For what it's intended for, which is driving racing cars and flying planes, it does a really good job. I'm surprised. It's very responsive, Seems to be quite intuitive. The fire button's in a good place. What I like best about it though is it's just freestanding, it's not attached to anything. You can actually throw this around, move it, and it actually does feel good in the hands and it feels like you're really driving. So I think it's a real thumbs up. I hope you've enjoyed the review of this, and hope to see you again soon in the Amiga Cave. Till then, cheers. Now, I've got some serious flying to do.